Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Broiler. It's really nice inside. It's quite large. It's 0.6 cubic feet. It holds a 12-inch pizza. It's 1500 watts of power. It can go all the way from a warm function up to broil. So if you want to keep something warm in case somebody gets home late from work, you can keep it on warm. It works great. The other thing is it has a baking rack and also a roasting rack. It also has a slide out rack there. It also has a removable crumb tray. It removes from the front. That helps you keep your oven clean. It also has a non-stick interior, which you just wipe up in case you get any spatters and splatters. You can also toast using this. You can toast anything from bagels and bread to even English muffins. It has a 30-minute timer, and also this controls your toasting function. It depends on how dark you want it. So darker here or lighter here, and then it automatically is shut off. It has warm, broil, bake, toast, and convection on this knob, and this is your temperature control. This will indicate that your oven is operating with this red light here. It's beautifully designed, has a rolled handle for the doorknob, and you'll find it really great for using every day or as an extra oven when you are entertaining at home.